Hi friends, previous tutorial we created one store procedure here. So this tutorial how to get a pass a parameter using C# to this store procedure and getting a values to C# this store procedure. Okay, here having a two parameter, one is value 1 and value 2. The answer we will get the one more parameter. So okay, right now I'm creating the text boxes here. So I'm going to toolboxes and track to three text boxes, 1 2 and 3. So I'm just order to top and merge, just expand it. Now I'm going to button, calculate, okay. So I have three text boxes. One is value 1, value 2 and value 3. Okay, I'm just using the label box also. Control Alt Control copy, Control copy and arrange it to top. Okay, value 1 and then value 2 and then ANS answer. Here you have to see the parameter. Here two parameter is value 1, value 2, and I am getting the answer is to select query to execute. So first time I will execute, right click execute. The value 1 is I am typed to 12 and here I am typing is 56 and I am get execute. The answer will get 68. Okay, now I will get the values here. Just I am double click here. Here I am writing just using system dot data dot SQL client and choose now I will just click SQL connection here. SQL connection CON equal to new SQL connection. Here I am just right click the properties, so we getting the connection string here. Just copy and inside the SQL connection just paste it. Okay, now I am using CON dot no need to open the connections because I am using SQL data adapter. So SQL data adapter SDA equal to new SQL data adapter. Here I am writing the query. So here I am just putting the store procedure name here. Paste the store procedure. Okay, here to paste the store procedure here. Just copy the store procedure name. Control C and Control V. Here I am using SDA dot select command dot command type equal to command type dot store procedure. So okay, now SDA dot select command dot parameter. I am passing parameter, you know, that's why I am creating a parameter first. So add new SQL parameter, just open and insert the parameter name. So just right click and properties and copy the parameter. So and just copy the parameter here and just put command. So object value is SQL db type dot. Here this parameter, just you have to go to properties. This is parameter, data type is float, so that's why I am here mentioning that this is float. Okay, so and one more thing, one more open bracket is there, so just put it. Okay, now SDA, another parameter, SDA dot select command that parameter dot add new SQL parameter double quote control V 2. This is also SQL db type dot float. Okay, we added here the error will be coming in, so that's why I didn't mention the connection here, so I'll mention the connections. So error, no one get the error, so I'm added the parameter here, so I want to pass the value to that parameter, so that's why I'm SDA dot select command dot parameters. Here I am mentioning the parameter store value 1 dot value equal to the value, it comes to text box 1 in it, so I am using here text box 1 dot text. So I copy the same line, control C and control V. Here I am using value 2, so this is text box 2. Okay, now I am creating the creating the data table, so I am using creating data table dt equal to new data table. Here I am mentioning SDA dot fill equal to dt. Okay, I am just running here, so by beginning purpose I am just using the debug mode and I am running, so I am put the debug mode here and just I am running the procedure. So sorry, we have to change the default program is to video 4 and control S and run once again. So value 1 and value 1 12 and 13, just click here calculate, so we get the debug mode here. So using F10 command type store procedure value, so we successfully executed. So we have to go to the debug mode and we get the answer here 25. So I successfully executed the store procedure and get the value here. Okay, now I need to pass the value to text box 3. So text box 3 dot text equal to dt dot rows 0 0 to string. Just run it and I'm remove the debug mode here and just run the query and I'm typing the value 12 and 13, just click 25 and change the value. So successfully we executed the stored procedure here. Okay guys, we will meet on next tutorial. Bye.